Before that, we will see what is distinct command. Okay, distinct function. So could you please run the table? I want to see the entire table. So please run select star from details underscore employees. Yeah. So as you can see in the name column, there are many duplicate names. Like there are many names which are repeating more than once. Okay.
Okay.
So I want to see only the I want to see only the unique values. I don't want to see the duplicate names. I just want to see the unique values.
Unique.
The names, like just uh, I want to see the names appearing only once, not twice. Okay.
Okay.
So for that, we'll be using a distinct command, distinct function. So so you can write select distinct within bracket name from details underscore employees.
Select this
Select distinct
details and
underscore, sorry, within bracket you write name. So after distinct, whatever column name you have to write within bracket. Okay, remember this.
within
So
bracket,
give a bracket. Yeah, not this bracket. This is a square bracket, a common bracket only.
right?
Yeah, yeah. Write name,
Name
bracket
employees.
close, from detail underscore employees. Yeah, run this line.
Semicolon.
Yeah, give the semicolon and run this line. You see, the duplicate names are gone. Only the unique
Unique
names are.
values I have seen.
Okay.
Hmm.
So this is how
Statistics.
you, yeah, this is how you use distinct function for a particular column to fetch the unique values. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So remember this. Okay. Similarly, if I ask you to figure out the distinct designation of each employee, so write the syntax for that. Okay.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. Now, could you please run the table? Could you please run the original table? I want to see the table. Okay. The next thing which we want to see is uh, the next topic is order by. Okay, order by. So please write it down in your notebook. Order by, ORDER space by. Okay. This is the next command, the next function I would say. Okay.
Okay.
So please write order by is used to arrange the table in ascending or descending order with respect to a specific column. Order by is used to arrange the table in ascending or descending order with respect to some specific column. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So uh, means if you want to arrange the table in ascending or descending order with respect to a column, then you can use order by that column at the end of the statement. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, I'm listening, sir.
Yeah. So for example, I want to arrange the table in the ascending order of the names alphabetically from A to Z. Okay. I want to arrange the table in the ascending order of the names alphabetically. So how will you write? Select, right? Select star from uh, details underscore employees. Order by
Name,
name. Okay.
details.
Uh, So that's enough. If you just write order by name and you just give a semicolon and you run this, so the table will be arranged in the ascending order of the names. Okay.
Yeah, Abhishek, Deep, yeah,
Yeah.
right.
Can you see this? Yes. So if you want to arrange in ascending order, you just need to write order by and the column name. But if you want to arrange the table in the descending order of the names, in that case, you have to write select star from the table name,
Hmm.
order by name, and then give a space and then write DESC, that is descending, DESC.
DES.
And then you run
DES.
the line, DESC, descending,
Okay.
at the end. Yeah, order by name,
Yes.
and then you write DESC. D- DESC means descending.
Descending.
Yeah, now give a semicolon. Yeah, you run this.
Yeah,
You see,
descending orders. Yeah,
the names are arranged in the descending order
descending order.
from Z to A. Okay, understood?
Yeah, understood.
Yeah. So, what do you understand from here? That if you want to arrange the table in ascending order, you don't need to write anything after order by the column name. Means after order by column name, you don't need to write anything. By default, it will arrange the table in ascending order.
Ascending order.
But if you want to arrange the table in descending order of a particular column, you have to write order by the column name and DESC.
DESC.
Okay.
We
Yeah.
will have to remember
If
this
you
now.
if you yeah, you have to remember this. Okay.
Hmm.
And if you would have written order by name ASC, ASC means ascending,
Ascending.
then also the table would have been arranged in ascending order only. But ASC is optional. You can, even if you don't write ASC, it will by default arrange the table in ascending order only.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah, understood. It is optional.
Writing ASC is optional, but writing DESC is compulsory if you want to arrange the table in descending order. Understood?
Yeah, understood. We can also write or not.
What?
No, yeah, I understood. It's optional
Yeah.
now.
Yeah. ASC is optional, but DESC is not
Not
optional.
optional.
Okay.
It is compulsory. Right.
Uh, so now, for example, I say that arrange the table in the descending order of their IDs. So please write a
IDs.
syntax, write a query to arrange the table in the descending order of their IDs. So please write it down.
And 98765.
Understood?
Yeah, got it.
Hmm. Hmm.
Order by function. Wildcard.
Yeah.
Okay.
So always remember when to use order by. Okay. Similarly, if I ask you to figure out, uh, write a query to arrange the table in the ascending order of their address. So what will you write? Yeah, got the answer?
Yeah, got the answer.
Yeah.
But sending order, but it is showing 49111.
What?
It is showing in table 49111. Sorry,
You
sorry,
tell
sorry.
me
Yeah, sorry. Address,
you have
address.
arranged,
Sorry.
yeah, you have arranged as per the address, not per the ID, not as per
Yeah,
the
yeah,
ID.
yeah.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay. So let's move on to the next topic. The next topic is wildcard characters. Okay, that is a very important topic. You may get some questions in the interview regarding this topic. Okay. So please write it down in your notebook. Wildcard characters are used to find some specific patterns in a column.
Okay.
Written?
Written, sir.
Okay. Next line you write, uh, it can only be used with like operators. It can only be used with like operator. Okay. Written?
Written, yeah.
Okay. The two most commonly used wildcard characters are the two most commonly used wildcard characters are, please write it down. Number one, the percentage sign. The percentage sign is the first wildcard character. And number two, the underscore sign, underscore
Okay.
written.
Written,
So
sir.
there are two main wildcard characters. Number one is percentage, number two is underscore. Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
So for percentage, you write it is used to find uh, patterns of multiple values in a column. It is used to find patterns of multiple values in a column. Written?
Written, sir.
Okay. So underscore you write. Underscore is used to find. Underscore is used to
Fine.
represent a single missing value. Underscore is used to represent a single um, missing value. Okay.
Okay.
Written?
Written, sir.
Okay. Now, for example, I ask you to figure out, write a query to figure out uh, the details of all the employees whose name starts with A. Okay. I ask you to figure out the details of all the employees whose name starts with A, the letter A, the alphabet A. Understood the question?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have to write select star from details underscore employees. Write it down. Where, where,
Very close.
yeah, where clause, where name like, like, like a percentage. Now a percentage should be within double quotes. Yeah, give a semicolon and you run this. You see, you have fetched all the details of the person whose name starts with A.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. 8%. Okay.
Yeah. So percentage represents multiple characters. Like if you want to find patterns of multiple characters. So A percentage, where name like A percentage, what does it means? That the name should start with A and after A there can be any pattern. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, I am listening. Got it.
Yeah. So A percentage means the name should start with A and after A there can be any pattern. It should be there. It can be like whatever combination of words is possible in the table that I want to fetch.
Yeah.
Means it should start, the name should start with A and after A whatever combination of words is present in the table, I want to fetch all those things. Okay.
Is
For example, okay,
uh, uh,
understood.
yeah, understood very well.
Yeah. Any
Starting
question?
alpha, starting word only A, and after that there can be
Yeah,
multiple
starting with
names.
A. Yeah. Similarly, if I ask you to find uh, all the all the details of the details of the students whose address name starts with sh.
SH.
Yeah, means s and h. Like it should be sh. Like the first two alphabets should be sh. That is
SH.
compulsory. That
Address
is the
now.
condition. Yeah, address. Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
Shivaji Park. Okay,
But
understood.
yeah, understood. But we are using, why we are using, like
So it
a
is a, this wildcard characters can only be used with like operator. It is a, rule. You have to remember this. There is no any logic
yeah, yeah,
that
you,
why do we use
I
like
have written
the
it
rule.
you like
Okay.
okay rule. Okay.
So never ever write where name equals to a percentage or where name equals to sh percentage. That will be completely wrong.
So
You have to use like operator along with the wildcard
wildcard
characters. Okay.
characters. Okay.
Uh, Now, if I ask you to write a SQL query to fetch all the details of the names whose all the details of the table whose name ends with H,
Ends with H.
ends with H. So what changes will you make over here? Can you tell? First, to copy paste the syntax in the
Underscore,
next line
underscore,
and then make.
underscore.
No, 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 no. Underscore is not used like here. You have to figure out all the details of the names whose name, like all the details of the table, all the details of the employees whose name ends with H. So just you have to make small changes over here. So see, if you write a percentage, it means the name should start with A.
A.
Now I am asking you to find the details of the students whose name ends with H. So what change you have to do here?
Where name like
Where name like, write it down.
H. H.
It should end with H. It means that before H, there can be any possible combination of letters or any pattern. But at the end, H is compulsory. So you have to write percentage H.
Oh,
Okay.
opposite. Okay.
Yeah, opposite. Percentage H. Understood the logic?
Yeah, understood your logic.
Yeah. Now you run this. Okay.
Yeah, there is any shortcut command to run to execute
I think is you just go at the end. Now you press control and enter.
control and enter. Okay.
Is it running? No, no, I think without selecting also, if you just press control or control plus enter, I think it should run. Is it running? Just run something else, control plus enter.
Yeah, it is running.
Yeah, yeah. So remember this. Okay, control plus enter is the shortcut command to run the line. Okay. Now let me ask you one more thing here. I want you to write a SQL query to fetch the details of all the employees whose department name ends with TY, ends with TY, whose department name ends with TY. Not name. I'm asking you
Sorry,
to
sorry,
write a
sorry.
query
Department.
to fetch the details of all the employees whose department name ends with TY.
TY.
TY, TY. Hmm. Okay, understood.
Yeah, understood.
Okay, now uh, you write a query to figure out the details of all the employees in whose designation uh, V is present in any place of that word. The alphabet V is present in any position of the word. Like it can be present anywhere in the word. So can you think and write a query to fetch the details of all the employees in whose designation V is present in any place of the word?
Underscore.
No, no, no. Underscore is not used here.
V. Hmm.
V for van.
Yeah, V.
So for that you have to write a designation like percentage V percentage. Okay. Or give an underscore at the end. You haven't given the sorry, you haven't given the double quotation at the end. Double quotation. Ah, now you give semicolon. Now you run this. Okay. You see in the designation you have V. Like V is present anywhere. Like it can be present in anywhere of the
It
word.
will
Okay.
showing. Okay.
So for figuring out that if a particular alphabet is present anywhere in the word, you have to use this designation or any column name like percentage, that alphabet percentage. Okay.
Okay. Percentage alphabet percentage. Okay.
Yeah. So I want you to figure out the details of all the employees in whose name S and H is present anywhere in between the word.
S and H.
Yeah, SH together. Huh? Why have you written dollar? What is this dollar?
Sorry,
Dollar
sorry,
is
sorry. My
no
mistake.
nothing. Yeah,
Name.
yeah. You see,
Yeah.
in the names are having S and H anywhere, like Abhishek, Mahesh. Okay,
Yeah, got it.
got it. So now write a SQL query to fetch the details of all the employees in whose name A is in the second position of the word. The
Second.
alphabet A is in the second position of the word.
Second.
Yeah.
First
So
position.
if A is in the second position, what will be the first position? How would you represent the first position of that word?
A.
No, no, no. So I am saying that in that word, A should be in the second position. Okay. I want to fetch such names in which A is present in the second position. So how would you represent the first position? You don't know the first position. You have to represent a single value. How would you represent a single value? So a single value is represented by an underscore. Okay.
Okay.
So for the first position, you have to write an underscore.
A missing value. Got it.
Right?
This.
A missing value. So write an underscore. And for the second position, I want to see A as the second position. No, so write A. And for the rest, it can be any set of patterns. So please write percentage. Now give double quotation, semicolon, and run this. You see Ram, Mahesh. So in these words, in these names, A is in the second position. Got it?
Got it.
Any
I got
doubts?
it. No doubts. M is a missing value. No.
Yeah. So for representing a missing value, we use underscore,
Underscore. Okay.
like a single value for representing a single value. Okay. Now, if I ask you to write a SQL query to fetch the details of all these employees in whose designation A is in the third position, in whose designation A, the alphabet A is in the third position of the name. So first you write where designation like, not name like. Okay.
Third position. No?
Yeah.
Which alphabet?
A.
A. Double underscore.
Yes. Got it?
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. So you see in the designation column, A is in the third position. Okay. Now I want you to fetch, write a SQL query to fetch all the department names in which I is in the third last position.
Third last position.
Yeah.
Seven time underscore.
No, 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 no. Not like that. Third last position, I'm saying. So it means that the last and the second last position will have underscore.
Double
And
underscore.
not in the starting there will not be any underscore. In the starting there should be a percentage sign.
Apogee.
Yeah, percentage sign. Then you will have to give
I.
uh the question was that
Percentage I, 2 time underscore.
yes, and then yeah, double quotation. Yeah. So understood. So for the
Yeah,
word
understood.
production and quality, you see I is in the third last position. Okay. Did you understood?
Yeah, I understood.
So the last two position is represented by single sorry, it is represented by underscore, and before I there can be any type of pattern. So that's why we have written percentage sign. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Uh, okay. Write one more question, or I do one more question. I think you have another table, no, which you had created in which date of joining was there. Can you just
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
select that database and run that table? No, no, don't do like that. What you're doing?
No, I
You're
am
saving.
saving.
Okay. I think it was in the Abhishek's database.
Yeah, right. Appreciate.
Okay, first you save this, then you just open that.
Yeah, I have saved.
So just expand the table inside that. I think DB under no no.
Sorry, yeah, DB.
What is the name? Yeah, TB underscore students. Run that. Select star from TB underscore students.
Okay.
No, run that table. No, select star from TB underscore students.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, this is details underscore employees. Do see what you are doing. What I'm telling you and what you are doing. You are running different thing. I want you to run that table TB underscore students. So write the query simply. Select star from TB underscore students.
Oh, sorry.
TB underscore student is the table name. Okay.
Table name. Okay, okay.
You
But
delete
I,
this line. Uh, just write select star from TB underscore students. TB underscore students. You see in the
sorry,
left side,
sorry,
what is
sorry.
the name of the table?
Yeah, TV understand. That's TV.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Give a semicolon at the end and run that. Control plus enter you should have used. Okay.
Oh,
No
okay.
issues. Fine, no issues. Okay, write a now. So I'm asking you a question. You have to write the answer. Okay. Write a SQL query to fetch the details of all the people who were born in the month of November. Understood the question?
Yeah, who are born in November.
Hmm.
How we can write?
Now you have to apply the logic which we have studied right now. Let me know if you can't do, I will help you, but first try on yourself. Try with
Just
yourself.
select to start from details. So TV uh, students where
Mhm.
DOB is equal to double quotation DOB, right?
No. This is not the answer. I want to fetch the details of all the students who were born in the month of November only. So November is represented by 11 if you see in DOB, isn't it?
Yeah,
2022 is the year, 11 is the month, and
but
04 or
date.
whatever the day is that date. Okay. So please write, select star from TB underscore students in the next line. Where DOB like percentage 11 percentage. Understood?
Yeah, understood. No, these conditions. Sorry. Designation like percentage V percentage
So it may what does it meant? It meant V is present anywhere in that column.
in that column.
So similarly here, if you write percentage 11 percentage, it will mean 11 is present in that column.
In that column.
So I want that only, no? A double quotation, you have to close double quotation. You are missing that. How can you miss that? Okay. You see the date of birth. You have only 11, like all the dates are having November.
Yeah. So it's about practice now. It's very confusing. Again and again
Why?
practice. No, it is very simple, but we will have to remember again and again practice. So just we
Hmm.
can remember.
Yes, yes. So that's why you need to practice on your own. I have like after every class you have to do the revision and practice on your own. Okay. Now similarly, if I ask you to figure out write a SQL query to figure out uh, all the details of the students whose number ends with 699, whose mobile number ends with 699.
And so, underscore.
You have to write the column name, whatever it is. Column name. Plug in your charger.
Yeah, just a minute. Percentage. Double 699 and with
No, 699. 699.
699. Percentage 699.
Hmm. No, no, it should not be percentage 699 percentage. It should be just percentage
Okay.
699 because it should end with 699. No, that's why.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
What if you have written percentage 699 percentage? What does it mean?
It is in between numbers. Can
Yeah.
I write
So it will mean that 699 is present anywhere in between
in
the
between?
word. Like in that case, if in the phone number, if in any phone number 699 is present in between, then also that phone number would have been in the result. So that is not the right result. Okay, understood.
Yeah, understood.
Uh, So write a SQL query to fetch all the details of the students whose date of birth is on the third day of any month or any year. It should be on the third day. Means the date of birth should be 3. Understood? Like
Yeah,
3
understood.
of any month or any year. Okay. So write the query for that.
Anywhere, no?
No. So you see here, the date of birth is like any date value is always written in the syntax in the format of YYYY minus MM minus DD. Okay. Any date column is always written in the format of YYYY minus MM minus DD in SQL. Okay. Remember this. So I am asking you to figure out all the details of the names who were born in the third day of every month. So the day is always present at the end of the date of birth. Okay. So you could have written where DOB like uh, percentage 03. That's enough. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Understood?
Yeah, understood.
Hmm. Okay. Now, like that, the question which I asked, like I asked you that whether like write a query to fetch all the students who were born on the month of November. Remember? So
Yeah,
that question,
remember.
so that question you could have also done using another syntax using date function. How? Or you could have written select star from TB students where month MONTHE month within bracket write DOB. Within bracket, you write DOB. Yeah, after bracket, you write equals to 11. Write 11. Yeah, now give a semicolon and run this. So we are using date function over here. Okay,
Date function.
date function. So write in your notebook, there are three types of date function: year, month, and day. So there are three types of date function in SQL: year, month, and day. So year in itself is a date function, month in itself is a date function, and day in itself is a date function. So you have written where month of DOB equals to 11. So it means uh, like for the date of birth column, the month should be 11, means November. Okay.
November.
So similarly, if I ask you to find all the details of the students who were born in the year 2022 using date function, so how would you have written?
Year, their year,
Yeah,
DOB
write it down.
within the bracket is equal to
Good. Understood? And the same question, like if I want to figure out the students who were born on the third day of any month or any year, you have to do that same question using date function. How would you do it? Where spelling is wrong? Where spelling is wrong? Run this. Okay, understood?
Yeah, understood.
Yeah. So for today's class, we'll do it till to this topic only. You have to practice these things today. Okay.
Okay.
Whatever you have studied, you need to practice it, revise this, and let me know if you have any doubts.
Yeah, if
Okay.
I will have doubts, so I will contact you in WhatsApp.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So just a
Fine.
minute. I have sent you all videos in your email address. Just
Okay, you have sent
yeah,
when
in morning.
right now
Yeah, in
in morning
morning,
only. Okay, I will check. I will check.
6 a.m.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, and you sent this video also. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thanks for joining. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.